Hi everyone, and welcome back to my channel. So this video is or was requested anyway. Some people are asking, can you do car diffuser? Do you know how to do it? Can you teach us? So here I want to tell you that I know how to do it. All you need for this production is just your car diffuser bottle, your denatured alcohol, and fragrance. You are good to go. So I am using Pure Seduction. I love the fragrance. Yeah, you can do well to use any fragrance of your choice. You can do a one note fragrance, you can mix fragrance, you can do anything that works for you. So this is my denatured alcohol. Now I'm using pipette as well. You can use a syringe. I prefer syringe to pipette because this pipette or pipette it's break out easily, but with syringe you are good to go. So here I'm using the bottle I'm using is actually 10 ml. Now I'm doing 3/7, 3 ml of fragrance and 7 ml of the denatured alcohol. All right, so don't make the mistake of doing 50-50 because you will end up messing up the whole thing for yourself. This is pure oil fragrance, so you need enough alcohol to enable it to dispense, to enable it to diffuse or to spread inside your car. The alcohol inside it helps it to evaporate. As the car is shaking, then it is making movement, is having emotion, and it's shaking, and your fragrance is, your diffuser is dispensing inside your car. All right, so please, if you use more of the oil or your perfume, it's going to clog that wood that it dispenses from, and it's not going to give you what you want. So here I already put my 3 ml of fragrance, and I'm doing 7 ml of the denatured alcohol. Now I'm going to tell you how I did this because it was difficult to find in the market. So how you can get your denatured alcohol is just 2 ingredients: IPA, isopropyl alcohol, and ethanol. Now it's not 50-50. If you want to do 100 ml, let your ethanol be pure ethanol. Actually, let it be 90 ml, then 10 ml for your isopropyl alcohol. Now I did 50 ml, so do the math. All right, but let me help you. So I used 45 ml of alcohol, ethanol, and 5 ml of IPA. Then my denatured alcohol is ready. It's very easy and simple to do. So here it is getting ready. I've added it, so you shake it very well. There is this white container inside of it. I didn't remember to put it, that was why I shaked it and it's poured away. Then if you're not using it immediately, if you are doing it for sale, you have to cover it with that white inner before you put in the diffuser, this one you are saying here. Okay, now if this is kind of content you like and you've not subscribed to my channel, please do well to subscribe to my channel, give the video a thumbs up, and share to people who might need it. Okay, this is 25. You don't need to go and be begging anybody for urgent 2k. These are the things you can simply do, and you can supply to supermarkets, you can supply to people, your friends that have cars, and they buy it 1,500, 2,500, 2,000, depending, and you are having your urgent 2k without begging anybody. All right, so this is how it is done. You can share this as a souvenir in an event. All right, so it's already looking very pretty, sitting very, very pretty. So this is what it is, and I had to go and check it in the car. The one that has rope you tie on in your rear mirror, Abby, what's it called? Then this one that has a clip, you clip it in your AC area. All right, so thank you very much for watching. Try this out and let me know. God bless you.